Now.
This fell off on it like 2 days ago. Over my handlebar.
Just don't hit the rock.
Oh.
You alright?
What's the snap on my bike?
I don't know. I think your tire. I think it just popped on the rock. I don't think it popped the tire. Your front tire, is it good?
I think I popped my seat.
Okay.
No big deal.
You break it?
Just made it loose.
I'm laughing now. I gotta try it. Oh, shit. Hilarious. It is thick. I know I'm gonna wipe out.
Then don't try it, because it hurts.